What kind of laser do we use after 2 weeks of facelift surgery to remove the scars? I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. Let's talk about the type of laser that we use after a facelift to remove the scars. So typically, we don't use a laser at 2 weeks after surgery. Usually, we wait a little bit longer. Most commonly, we will wait anywhere from 3 months to 6 months after surgery to use a laser on the scars. Now, what type of laser do we use? We use a CO2 laser. It's a carbon dioxide laser. And what we do is we vaporize the top layer of the skin with that laser to remove the epidermis and part of the dermis. And that stimulates new collagen and helps the scars to become less prominent. How many treatments will you need? You'll probably need at least 3 or 4 treatments. And sometimes, depending on the type of skin that you have and the depth of the scars, you may even need more than that. Are there any alternatives to using a CO2 laser? Yes, there are some. There are other types of lasers that are out there, such as a fractional laser that can be used as an alternative. But most commonly, we use the CO2 laser. When you come in for your laser treatment, what can you expect? Well, first of all, we will numb the area with local anesthesia. So you'll get some injections of lidocaine with epinephrine. And then once the area is numbed, we will apply a topical antibiotic cream to the incisions. Then we use the laser. The laser will produce a vapor, so there will be some steam coming off of the skin. That's normal. And usually, that lasts for about 10 to 15 minutes while we pass the laser back and forth over the incisions. After the procedure, we will apply some petroleum jelly and some silicone gel to the incisions to help with the healing process. And you would apply that for the next 3 to 4 weeks after the procedure. And how long does it take for the results to show after the laser? Usually, within a week or 2, you'll notice that the scars are a little bit lighter and a little bit thinner. And that will continue to improve over the next several months. If you're interested in learning more about facelift surgery, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, if you're interested in learning more about lasers and how we use them in our practice, there are videos available. Just search for more information.